How to advertise your Facebook page. Welcome to this live demonstration that Ms. Pam Astillero, a digital entrepreneur, um, gave to show the step-by-step way to advertise or run ads on your Facebook page. This was done in the V85 digital marketing class of V-Coach Bong De Ungria. So Ms. Pam Astillero has three certifications to her name. She's a licensed real estate broker, a certified digital marketer, and an MBA graduate of Ateneo. And in her long digital history, she is, in summary, a digital entrepreneur because she owns several internet sites and internet businesses: condominiumsmanila.com, seoasia.com, officegatewayph.com. She's also a Google Ads consultant and Google certified for display, search, shopping, measurement, and apps. And she's a consultant for digital marketing and also an industry professor. So this talk was specially prepared by Pam for the digital marketing class under V-Coach Bong De Ungria. Thanks, Pam, for sharing your expertise and information with us. This video was recorded live in front of V85 class, composed of 16 medical practitioners, primarily from CLDH or the Central Luzon Doctors Hospital. Although as practitioners, they're involved and affiliated with many other hospitals like Bataan General Hospital, Jackson's Medical Center, and so on.
All right, moving on. Now that we are here at Peppermint Dental, we would like to boost post. We'd like to transfer to Casa Insights Beach Resort for our boost post sample. Now here in the page, we'd like to see the most popular ads that we have in the past. So basically, this has 2,049 people reached for the past since June 12 of 2021, and we would like to boost this post to let people know that we are actually open and we are now accepting guests. Now I click on boost post. This is where we left off here. Okay, click on that, and then it will actually ask you what kind of audience you would like to target. So it will actually ask you if you would like to target people using targeting, or people who like your page, or those who like your page and their friends, those who are in Metro Manila, or the entire people of the Philippines. So I don't want to use this because this audience is too broad. So basically, we'll just edit this audience detail here. We will make sure that it is more targeted. Now, it actually asks for gender, what we'd like to target. So for this example, I'd like to target all ages 25, which is a more relevant target because I don't think 18 years old would probably go out these days. And 25 years old has more, is more of a decision maker and is a young professional, probably up to 60. So maybe 55 at the least, at the most rather. And then we would like to target not just people of Calatagan, Batangas, but we would like to change that audience to Metro Manila. Since Metro Manila already, we are now accepting guests from Metro Manila, provided that they give a medical certificate or barangay clearance. So now you could see that is given 25 miles. So from Metro Manila, so it is defined to have reached 10,000 10 10 million people as your audience, and you will have to notify or make sure that the pointer is at the green area, pointed at the green part, which means that your audience or um, your ad is well optimized, because you don't want to be too specific nor too broad. So click the save audience, and now we have changed that audience details into that one. Now, after that, I will show you how we can manipulate the budget. So here you could actually narrow it to 4 days at the least, because if you go down to 3 days, it will give you an error message that you have to decrease or increase rather the duration of your campaign. So we make it 4 days or maybe 7 days. And then it will automatically give you the end date of your campaign, which is July 22, 2021. And with the 500 budget, you could actually reach 595 to 1,700 people per day who will actually what who will actually send you a message, because that's the button that you would like to put here in the send message in your campaign. So when they see this message, this is a preview of the ad, they will automatically click the send message whenever they see the advertisement. So you could also change the budget to like 300, or at least they wanted a minimum of 343. So you can really play around this portal or this Facebook page and make it and adjust it according to what your budget is and your target reach per day. So this is the target impression that I was talking about in the marketing funnel. So you would like to target 5,000, like in the example, you have to at least have a higher budget like that. So here, so 1,500 per day, we'll be able to target 1,000 to 5,000 people per day. So for this, we just stick with 500 as the budget, and then you now can click on boost now, and it will automatically run for 7 days. So there you go. It's how we do the boost post and how to measure if our ad strength is healthy. That is where we again see this one. This is the ad strength, or to see if your ad strength is healthy. Reminder again to make sure that it is pointed at the green area, a green part. Right. So there, that's it for the boost post. I will not click because I don't want to run the ad right now. But if you're going back, I would like to show you a few more things about Casa Astillero. You could also do it this way, using this one, creating an ad wherein you will see a lot of things that you could choose from, not just by targeting. You could actually click get more messages on Messenger. You could either choose get more messages on WhatsApp, and you could also get more likes if you just wanted to add more likes to your page. Casa Astillero has around 17,000 likes, and majority are organic likes, and there are a lot of techniques on how to get organic likes and not just paying for them. So, but if you want to pay, you could choose on this one to be able to get more likes, or you could get calls directly to your mobile, or to just promote your business locally, or get more website visitors, or get more leads. It depends on your business if you're into collecting information from potential customers. So just for another example, if you want to get likes, you could also Again, select an audience. I usually use this through targeting, then the ones who like your page or people, friends or friends, friends of friends, and then just play around the number of likes. Like if you choose the targeting of 18 to 65, audience is, let's edit it, let's change it again to like, let's say, Quezon City, Quezon City, Metro Manila. Save audience. I'd like to get more likes from Quezon City, and then the estimated daily results will be at around 1,900 to 5,000 reach and 70 to 200 likes per day. So there, if you want to run that ad at the 260 pesos per day budget with a summary of 1,300 for the entire campaign that runs in 5 days. And then just click on Promote Now. So that's the two ways on how you can boost posts and promote your website, promote your Facebook page. And I think that's about it. That's the next 10 minutes of our time. We just go back and show you a little more about Casa Astillero's insights for a few more seconds. Here is the sample of the insights that is enabled when you have a lot of likes already. So this is equivalent to Google's web analytic tool. This, you can see how many page views has been there. So it has been increasing because the restrictions in this COVID pandemic has been relaxed for the past days. And the number of likes are mostly organic because I've never promoted it. People are just talking about it, going back to the resort, going back to the page, and inviting people. Or it all depends on your strategy and how you get organic likes. And then the post reach, post engagement, engagement score, responsiveness, how fast I answer the emails or how fast our customer representatives actually answers the inquiries, and then the followers. So there, that ends my sharing for today, and I'm very thankful for this opportunity. Good luck on your Facebook page and your campaign, and you can always call or message me if you need anything. Thank you.
And one more thing, if you found value in this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, connect through my blog or through LinkedIn, so together we can serve.